Simple bamboo ceiling design. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're excited to share an easy and elegant bamboo ceiling design that will add a touch of nature-inspired sophistication to your living spaces. Bamboo is not only an eco-friendly material, but also known for its durability and timeless appeal. Join us as we guide you through the step-by-step process of creating this stunning ceiling design. From selecting the finest bamboo poles to the installation, we'll show you all the necessary techniques and tools you need to achieve a professional-looking result. Whether you want to refresh your bedroom, spruce up your living room, or create a relaxing atmosphere in your home office, this bamboo ceiling design is the perfect choice. Its natural texture and warm tones will complement various interior styles, from rustic to modern. Follow along as we take you through the step-by-step process of creating this stunning ceiling design. From selecting the right bamboo poles to cutting and assembling them, we'll share our pro tips and tricks to make the project a breeze. With its warm and inviting vibe, this bamboo ceiling design is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and even outdoor areas like gazebos or verandas. The natural textures and earthy tones of bamboo create a cozy and tranquil atmosphere, making your space feel like an oasis of calm. Our step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the entire process, making it easy for both beginners and DIY enthusiasts to follow along. You'll learn how to prepare the bamboo sticks, measure and cut them to the right length, and securely attach them to the ceiling using basic tools and techniques. Whether you want to transform your living room, bedroom, or even an outdoor patio, this bamboo ceiling design will be a unique and eye-catching addition to your home. So, grab your tools and let's get started on this exciting project. Let's dive into the world of sustainable decor and craft something remarkable together. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow DIY enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring projects like this. Let's get creative with bamboo and transform your space into a haven of tranquility and style. Don't miss out on this fantastic DIY home decor project. Make sure to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring ideas. Let's get started on